In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to script your Instagram Reels for your personal brand. And it's a lot easier than you actually think, especially when you have this format I'm going to teach you guys. It's a walk through the park. So let's get right into this. So this script format and all my other formats contributed to me quitting my 9-to-5 job that I didn't like. So now I can create whenever I want, wherever I want, and be completely free. So for me, that was a huge bonus. As you can see, just like the results, me texting my coach. And here are just the really recent results I've discovered. This is one of my latest posts, same with this one. This one's gotten 60.3% on YouTube Shorts, same with on Instagram. All these are gonna be extremely similar to Instagram. So then my other results, this is also a recent one, 82%, another 82.6%, and then another 44.2%, but that's because my quality of the video got all screwed up. It was a really pain in my ass. But basically, this script format is not just easy, but it also is proven to work consistently. Not every video is gonna hit high 80s. That's just because of me. But this script format will definitely lay down the foundations for you and what really important key factors you need to be using in your scripting. So let's go over to it. So I use the script formatting from Jason Cooperson. So this is not my script formatting. Some of the stuff inside here I think is mine. I can't really remember because it's been so long. But basically, all you do is you have all your ideas in this page. You have your scripting, your filming, everything. So let's just come over to the scripting. I already made one. Or if you don't have one, just hit new page and then click on it by just clicking right here. And now you should be prompted with this stuff. I don't honestly know if he made these right here. I think I did, but I could be wrong, so don't quote me on it. But basically, this is how you write your scripts. So the first 3 questions you want to ask yourself is, who is my ideal client and customer? And by the way, I'll leave this Notion template in the link description so you guys can grab this for absolutely free. First, you want to, again, find your ideal customer / client. So who do you want to target for that video? Next, you want to find what does that ideal customer / client really want? So what are their pains and how can you solve it throughout that video? And what is the first step they need to take to actually get there? Next, you can start scripting your hook. So after you've done all these, then you can go into the hook, which example, I have an example right here. It looks like I didn't do it, so I think this is actually mine. You should like a shook for the hook. It should be a hook should deliver a jolt to human emotions such as curiosity, fear, or missing out. How can you achieve this? So for example, use an eye-opening-ended question that makes viewers wonder, how did they do that? Or how can I do that too? After the hook, you wanna go into a build-up, which is you're basically reassuring the viewer that they can achieve the same result, but also really hitting their pain points. So they're building up and up into a like anticipation, curiosity, and how they really want to solve this issue through this video. And then the final is your value. So what is the value that you're gonna be providing? What is the outcome that they are wanting throughout the video? And at last, then your CTA is either like, go ahead and follow, share this to a friend, or you can make them comment a specific word using ManyChat and then you can send them over something. Now let's say you've gotten your scripting done, you've already filmed it, but you're ready to edit, but you don't know how to really edit it in an aesthetic looking way for your personal brand. Well, I got you. So click this video right over here. It's gonna show you exactly how I edit my Instagram Reels for my personal brand in just 5 to 15 minutes max.